Hello guys, my name is Yash Vilure and today we are going to see the nomenclature. Nomenclature means the namakaran. Namakaran of what? The chemical compound. So let this is a chemical compound. What are the chemical compounds? Chemical compound means the chain of any carbon. It is also known as bonds of carbon. So we will call this as bonds of carbon. Now, there are many varieties of the carbon particle or the carbon bonds. Now, to name these, a scientist introduced the process named as nomenclature, means the namakaran of this bond. Then there is a method to name this bond, and the basic thing which we need for the naming this bond is the names of alkane. Here, alkane, second type is alkene and third type is alkyne. First we will see alkane. Here there are only, the important are only 10. First, if one carbon particle is there, so it is methane. If 2, then ethane. 3, propane. 4, butane. 5, pentane. 6, hexane. 7, heptane. 8, octane. 9, nonane, and 10, the decane. This is the most important part to name any bond. Now, there are some steps to name the bonds. Now, if we will see this bond, then there are 3 steps, or there are, if we will take an example, if there is a name, my name, if I write then this Yash Chandrasekhar Belure. There is a method to write a name. First my name, then my father's name, and at last there is a surname. Like this only the bonds names are also there. But here we call as name, there we call as prefix. Then suffix. And then root word. Now what comes in this? Root word means the surname. Suffix name means the longest chain. And prefix means the branches. What are the branches we will see here. So first, what is the longest chain we will see. Longest chain means a chain or a road where most carbon we can found. There are found the most carbon particles. Now we will see, if we will start from here, then from here to here there is one way, then we will reach here. Then this we count as 1. Then there are 2 ways, here and here. If we think as we are here and these are the hotels, okay, so we will go to these words. Why? Because there are many hotels here on the way, but here is only one hotel. So we will choose this one. So this is 2 and we will go here. Now here, this is 3. This is one way road. Again there are 2. Okay. So there are 2 ways and both the ways have only one hotel. Means we can go anywhere. So we will choose upside. So we will go like this. This would be our path to go somewhere. So this path will take the longest distance or the maximum number of carbon particles. So this is called as the longest chain. So this longest chain means there are 4 carbon particles, and what we name it, 4 carbon particles are called as butane. Now what are the branches? we can't leave these branches which are in on 2 and 3. Means we can say these as choke. Now we have to count this branch and this branch. These two which are extra and coming in the bond, but which are extra leaving the longest chain are called as branches, and these branches names are put into the prefix like name. Then suffix I told there are 4 carbon particles in the longest chain we selected, and if there are 4 particles then we say it as butane. So the butane is its suffix, means father's name. Root word, what is root word? This is most important. Now root word means here at last our surname is there, in root word its surname. Means in starting I said there are alkene and alkyne. Now we will remove this ALK because this is common in 3 names. What remains? ANE, ENE and YNE means, and these are the root word. 3 root words we have. ANE, ENE, YNE means if we will try to name this, then there are 2 branches. Okay. Yes, there are 2 branches. So where the branches are on 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yes. On 2 and 3 these branches are there. Now what is the how many carbon are there? 2. Then methyl. Okay. Now the suffix, this is prefix. Yes, this is methyl. This is methyl. This is whole suffix, prefix. Now there so 2, 3 we had written because there are the branches. Now there is one more law that if there are numbers and numbers, then we would put comma or nothing. But if there in the name we are joining number and alphabet, then we have to give here a dash. Okay. Now 2 and 3 there are 2. Then we have to first write di. There are 2 branches, then di. If there would be one branch, then direct we would return the methane, but 2 are there, so di. Now 1 carbon, so methyl. Done. Methyl. After 4 carbons are there, so but, not butane. It is but, and letter should be small. But. And now surname, root word. Here AN is there, EN is there, and YN is there. What we should keep in this? Here AN is kept when only a single bond is there. EN is kept when double bonds are there, like this. These 2 bonds are there. And if there are triple bonds like this, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 like this, then we keep YNE. Now in our original structure or in our original bond, there were only single bond, no double bond or triple bond. So we will keep ANE as its surname. and this is the name of this following structure, which is 2,3 dimethylbutane. This process is called as nomenclature, namakaran of this chemical bond. So this was the basic thing of the nomenclature. There are more types such as cyclo, bicyclo, spiro, and many. We had done only the bonds with single structure or single bonds. In next part, we will learn about the EME, that is double bond, and YME, that is triple bond. So thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment if there is any doubt in this point. Thank you.